I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Accuracy is non-negotiable. At PD Tech, we ensure your records are IRD ready and perfectly reconciled.
Learn how to mark a bill as paid when you make payment personally rather than from a business bank account. Before you record a payment made personally, make sure you've enabled payments on the account to record the payment to. Click Accounting. Then select Chart of Accounts. Find the chart of account code you want to record the personal payment from. This could be a director's loan account, a capital introduced account, or a new account specific to your needs. If you're unsure which account to use to record personal payments of business expenses, we recommend checking with an accountant or bookkeeper. In this example, we'll type funds into the search field to find Owner A Funds Introduced. Click the account to see the details. In this example, because we're using Xero's default chart of account, the Owner A Funds Introduced account already has the Enable Payments to this account checkbox selected. If needed, select the checkbox to Enable Payments on the account you've chosen to use. Click Save to confirm, or Cancel if you haven't made changes. Now let's record the personal payment of a bill. Click Purchases, then choose Bills. Select the Awaiting Payment tab. Find the bill you want to mark as paid and click to open. We need to complete the Payments section at the bottom of the Awaiting Payment bill. First, check the amount paid is correct. Xero defaults to the bill total. If you've made a part payment of the bill personally, change the amount to match the amount you've paid. Then, enter the date paid using the calendar picker, or type the date in the field. In this example, we'll enter the 4th of August. Next, click the Account field. You'll see a list of all the accounts you can use to make the payment. In this example, as we've made payment personally, we'll choose Owner A Funds Introduced. Add an optional reference, for example, paid from personal bank account. Once you're happy with the details, click Record Payment. Xero marks the bill as paid, recognizing the payment via your selected account. Remember to send the remittance advice to your supplier if needed.